Hi there, this is Gary. It is Saturday, the 17th of October, and this has been a pretty interesting day. Andreas is here and we've been working away. I want to show you a few things what's been going on. This is the fender that had got damaged when we were in Monterey. It came off the trailer and we damaged it, and the whole car did. We got it bent. This was all bent all to hell and we threw it away. We had to repair the fender as best we could, but it's not perfect. We're not trying to make it perfect. I just tried to blend in the colors, and so it won't be as noticeable. This is the offside to the inside of the car. You won't see it anyway. We had to make a new piece here, so I made a paper pattern here showing where it was going to be. Then we cut our aluminum out of this. This is raw aluminum, 30-30, and half soft, half hard. Okay, made it, drilled it, put our center. It's 22 rivets. We put the center rivet in, and we work them around, drill in our holes using our clicos. Now, to get this piece like this, we have to insert a wire, bend it as we're putting it in, and we use this tool here that we made to bend the pattern like this. This is to bend the aluminum so we can, it's half an inch. We go all the way around until it's absolutely flat. We insert the wire like this, and then when it gets as far as we can, we pound it over, and then with another tool that we've made, which is this, we then sink it in, and it turns on here, and you can see what's happening here. This makes it solid, so there's absolutely no play in this whatsoever. And this is how we're doing it. We're riveting it, and we hold it in place with a temporary rivet called a clico. So we'll show you how we do that. We remove the clicos because they're pretty well set now. Now we're going to rivet this in. Andreas is going to buck it on the other side, and you'll be able to see how we do this.
Yep.
Okay? Looks awful easy. Well, it's the fun part of it.
Yep. Yep.
Take the last clico that we want out that held it into position so it's absolutely perfect the way it was. Now we're going to do the last one. Second to the last one here. Boom.
Yep.
And the final.
Yep.
And it's done. Okay, now we'll be able to install the roof. We had to put a piece here because this is torn all up here, and it's a bad spot on the car. We don't know why, but it's a stress point, so we put a piece on. You won't be able to see it.
And the chain rubs it.
Chain rubs it. It's all sorts of these things. But anyhow, this is the complete fender, which we'll put back on, which was heavily damaged. So we want to go with that. Now I want to show you something else. As you know,
it's getting long.
We have had a coloring book made, and it's absolutely fantastic. And on the proof sheets that came in, and this is Fireball Tim that does this, and I thought, he takes a photograph and then he somehow with a computer gets the outline. No, he absolutely draws the whole thing. It's unbelievable. He did this with like 20 of our cars. And Kyra has been doing the color book. So you can see this is the sheet on it, the proof sheet. And she's been coloring it in by hand for a whole week. And she's done another coloring book, a complete coloring book, and then 6 off of ours. Now tomorrow we're going to be over at the bookshop on Magnolia, and we're going to, be giving some pieces away, signing them, and just generally having fun and talking to the people that love this stuff. So anyway, come on down and say hello to us, and we'll see you then.